Well, hello, my good people. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Friday today. I am here with another video, and this time I have a package from String Theory, which is owned by Jody Krantz. I'm so excited. I already got one order from her, but I didn't want to show this order from her until I got this one today, and it is here, and I'm very happy. I don't know what's inside, and I can't wait to open it. But before opening that one, I just want to show you my first order I got from her. It was a small order this time, but what it was when Jody came onto my BFF live a couple weeks back, she made this necklace with this fish, and I just really loved it so much that I had to go and get one. I had to copy her. I'm a big copycat, but it is so cute. She has more on her website now that I want to get. There was one on there that was an aventurine and a lapis, and I need to go grab those before they're all gone. But isn't that adorable? It's so cute. This one is the quartz, and then there's a rose quartz on her website as well. Hopefully they're not all gone. But here is the amethyst one I got. I just had to have it. Uh-oh. Here's the amethyst one I got. Isn't that adorable? And then I got this little locket. Not really a locket, but it's a little lock. And it is so cute. I want to get more of these too. Darn it. You know, I just put lotion on my hands, and when you do that, it's hard to open anything. Look at it. It has mother of pearl inside. Isn't that a cute charm? I could use several of these. It's really tiny and really cute. And then she put in a little thank you. Oh, no, I got some chain. Yeah, that's right. I got the gold paper clip chain. I only got 12 inches of chain. It's a nice quality grade of chain. Very nice. And then she threw in this little thank you, some little charms. She's very sweet. This little gold carabiner. And this one, it has like a little lucky charm on it. And it's a lobster claw. Isn't it cute? It's not a lucky charm. That's not the official name. It's a clover. But that's what I got on my individual order here. So she gave me this cute little sticker and a chain. Okay, so let me see what's in here. Oh, this is a thank you in here. So let's do that wrap. Look how nicely she wraps everything. You've got great taste, she says. Thank you, Jody. So do you. Well. Okay. So I'm not sure which one is which. I know she had two bundles. One was like a Tucson bundle, and the other one, I can't remember. Oh, shucks. Well, let's just dig in. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. This is a table cut strand. Pretty. I wasn't expecting that. Lovely. I love table cut beads. Look, and then it's got this really pretty fire polish bead in between. Very beautiful, and a beautiful green color. Green is one of my favorite colors. Then we have these beautiful matte. These are sea glass. They look like they're sea glass beads. And then we have some beautiful charms here. Okay, come on, package, open for me. All right. Come on, open for me. Maybe I should go ahead and rip it at the top. Okay. Some little gold charms. We have a shell. We have another shell. Just in time for the summer. Maybe put this one on like an anklet. That would be cute. Put this one as a charm on a necklace or gold. Then we have this, which is a leaf. I've never seen this before. That's a shell. And it's electroplated. Pretty. It's very delicate. You know what? That might not leave my side. I love it. Okay. All right. So we have a, what is this? This is a chaton or Rivoli. And then it has a little cup that you put it in. Yeah, nice. I like this because you don't have to, seed bead around it. You can use it just like that because it fits right in there. And then you can connect it on the sides. Look at this one. This one looks like, what is this? This looks like some sort of jasper. Who knows the name of that bead? There we go. Look how beautiful that is. This is an 8mm bead. It's gorgeous. I almost feel like it's a jasper. I don't know which one, but if you know, let me know. I'm not as good at all of them. I do know this is a lapis. So I know that. And this is a nice long strand too. That's a 14.5 or 15 incher there. Very nice. And these look like they're 4x3. Right? Faceted. Nice. Gorge. Okay, so let's open this pack. Oh. Oh, Jody. What do you have here? String Theory. You're on a roll. Now, this is it has to be the Tucson one. When I see the cactus, the cacti in here, then I know I'm looking at a Tucson bag. Okay. Okay. Look at that charm. That's a pendant. Beautiful. I love the ring. Okay. So we have our necklace. These would go for our earrings, of course. Right? Right? Look at that. How does that go with that? Huh? Lovely. That's nice. But let's see what else is in the bag. Okay. Okay. It's a mix. Wow. Wow. These are like turquoise faceted seed beads. What are these? Like a size 2? Look at these ones. These have bronze color. I love it. That's a nice mix. Oh my gosh, it's very Tucson-y. What a beautiful mix. You did great, Jody. Wow. I'm separating so I can see. This would be really nice with a leather cord to make a leather necklace. With this as the pendant. I think that's what I'm going to do. When I start working with it, I'm going to explore making a leather necklace. And then we have these little tiny ones, these little fire polish beads that could be the little dangles or drops, or they can go with the earrings here. We have these earrings. They could go with them. Look at that. This is the rest of the mix. Look at that. Perfect colors. Yeah, I love, love the colors. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a necklace that has leather in it. Okay, so what else do we have? We have some flowers. These are Czech flower in different colors. Then we have a little, those are the Czech flowers in different colors. That would be a nice, pretty necklace or even a bracelet. And then these two, this is like, what is this? It's a flower. What kind of flower is that? Somebody tell me what kind of flower that is. And this is a little road runner. He's super cute. Can you tell that's a road runner? Right? No, he looks like, oh, I'm sorry, I got loud. He looks like a road runner on this side, but then when you turn him over, he's that other little bird. What is that bird? Oh, I can't think of him. Is that a road runner? You tell me. Okay. Wow. Oh, this is a good one. This is really a good bag. Look it. I don't have any like these. These are some Czech glass beads in a diamond shape. They have this beautiful wash on them. Like it might be like a rust color wash on them, which is totally Arizonian. I need like a full strand, like I need a full strand of those. These would go great on a bracelet, a knotted bracelet. Those would be great. Some little, these are like 2 millimeter, I think. Bronze beads, pretty. And this looks like it's a ventrine, maybe. These are, no, these might be my 6 millimeters. Very nice. Very, very nice. And now the final one from Tucson. Golly. Joy, joy. Okay. I'm waiting for it to do an autofocus for me. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? This is a mixture. Goes well with these beads too, I think. Then we have this one with some turquoise in it. Wow. some red jasper. And then our blue looks like it might be apatite. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wouldn't that be pretty if it was just like that? If it was strung just like that? That would be nice. Yeah. And then the last one in that bag are these beautiful, I don't know, what are these? Fossil? Mm. These are hearts, little mini hearts. I think they're gorgeous. I really do. Let's open up this bag, this thank you bag. Let's see. In here is a, these look like they're like 10 millimeters. So white buffalo. Oh, I've never gotten these before. They're huge. 10 or 12. Faceted. Oh man. The white buffalo. It's perfect for Tucson, right? Okay. And then the last thank you. Oh man. Oh, these are beautiful. What are these? They look like they could potentially be like a peach moonstone, maybe? Oh man. You see that? Oh wow. They are beautiful. You know, you're saying thank you to me, but I'm saying thank you to you. I love them. They're absolutely beautiful. I love the shimmer in them. They're absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Jody. You have done a magnificent job. String Theory, you are the bomb. Thank you so much. I'm so happy with everything that is in this box. I will be coming back with another video making something out of these gorgeous beads and charms. If you like what you saw here today, please click on the link that will be in my description box for String Theory. See if you can find any of this stuff on her website. Don't take all the fish. I need to go back and get some of those. Um, but yeah, I'll put the link to her website, the String Theory, in there. So make sure to go in there and check out that Etsy shop. Also, come back and see the video that I'm going to put together, making something out of some of this that I've got here. Join our Facebook group. We have a lot of fun over there. We share with each other, we encourage each other. We share tips and tricks and questions. Go there for that. Come back to our BFF Live. We have lots of fun with our friends in the beading community, and we would love to have you there as well. In the meantime, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share with a friend, and go and make something beautiful. Have a wonderful day.